Hi everyone, welcome back to English Speaking Journey. So today is a fourth day of 30 days new word learning challenge. And in this challenge, I bring some new word for you. That one will be very useful because that all word from the news article, celebrity interview are from the daily conversation. So definitely all word will be very useful for you. So be remember and just listen carefully. First word is cakewalk. Cakewalk means something that is very easy to do without any effort. Actually, I listened this word in one celebrity interview, and she was telling, doing acting is not cakewalk. You need a lots of practice and dedication. Here I mentioned the one example also. Winning the local race was a cakewalk for the champion runner. Yeah, you are learner, then you can say learning English is a cakewalk, but it's a required dedicated effort. Next word, arbitrary. Arbitrary means a decision which taken basis on the personal choice or the random without asking any suggestion, any feedback. For example, the new rules appear arbitrary and unfair to the students. It means management took some decision without asking the student. So that decision is arbitrary. For example, the manager decision to cancel the team outing seems arbitrary. Next word, overstay. Overstay means to stay longer than allowed or expected time. Here is one example. He overstayed in the hotel and had to pay the extra charges because he stayed in the hotel, you can say overtime. You can say another example. If you are going in the foreigner country, must be careful not to overstay your visa period. Boon and bane. Boon means a blessing thing which will be helpful for you. Bane means not good thing for you. It's harmful for you. It means something that has both good and bad effect. For example, social media is a boon and bane for the teenager. It's connected them. It distracted them from the studies. If we in another example, the internet is a both a boon and a bane because it's help us learn, but it can also waste our time. Next, exemption. Exemption means freedom from the some rules or duty, or you can say relaxation from the some rules. For example, the law provided tax exemption for the senior citizens. Here another example, he got a exemption from paying the from you can say from paying the exam fee. Yes, another examples. Some student receive exemption from the sports because medical reason. Next, sleepover. Sleepover means a night spent at a friend's house, especially by teenager or children. So that particular situation is a sleepover thing. For example, my parents allow me to go to a sleepover this weekend. It means my parents allow me to stay at a friend's room in night. So you can use this word. This word is also very visible and in the normal conversation. So be remember this word. Next, manifestation. Manifestation is you can say it's created from the manifest. Manifest means a clear sign of something that showing its act of showing feeling clearly. For example, her success is manifestation of hard work. It means expectation of the hard work is success. So wherever you are think some you are manifesting something means you are assuming something. It is a result of something. For example, his anger was a manifestation of his frustration. Next, accommodate. Accommodate means to provide the space or shelter or help, or another you can say to adopt to someone needed needs. For example, we must accommodate the new idea to improve our plan. It means we must give the some accommodation, accommodate means space to our new idea to improve our plan. Another example, the hotel can accommodate the 200 guests, or you can say the schedule was the change to accommodate the everyone ability. So it is a formal example. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.